Halter CNC Automation, known for their robot tending solutions, total versatility. This is the latest in the product suite, the big and also the loading system as well. Which one is that?
So this is the universal, available 35, 70. So 35 kilos or 70 kilo robot arm.
So if people don't know the Halter name, give them some further comfort. What sort of the actual components in the whole system?
The componentry here is what you've got is all world leading. So you've got Schunk, Fanuc, Siemens.
Absolutely, so well-known components in there, so you've got that comfort straight away. Now, this robot arm itself said 70 kilo, up to 70 kilo?
Up to 70 kilos. So on this particular model here, in terms of bar length, standard is 300 mil, but up to 600 mil lengths of bar.
600 mil length of bar?
Yeah, that's correct. The table itself can hold up to 3 tons, so a lot of material for lights out production.
Okay, and this table is the universal table?
This is the universal, yeah.
Okay. And obviously the robot's working here at the moment. You can load it while it's machining as well?
That's correct. So the doors are interlocked, so you've got all the safety features you'd need, so it can be unloaded while the machine's running, so continuous running.
Okay. Now, as we'd expect with Halter, and we know with Halter in fact, in terms of programming, I've never programmed a robot arm before. It's going to be an issue?
No, really easy. 12 simple steps of programming. Basically, from an operator side of it, is diameter, length of the part, and the grid plates that you have in the machine. Simple as that.
Nice and simple. Now, another fantastic, people are investing, and it's, you make an investment, well, return on investment, what sort of return would you expect to get?
What we say at Halter is we would say that 95% of the time, your return on investment is in 18 months.
18 months?
18 months. And in some cases, we've got customers that really run the machines lights out. They're getting their payback within 12 months.
That's absolutely fantastic. Now, when we say that as well, you're buying this robot tending solution for a machine?
Yeah, you can buy it for a machine, but the real USP for Halter is the fact that we can move this between machines. Set up time, like with the whole Halter range, 20 to 30 minutes, pallet truck, and simply move it around your shop on different machines.
Up to how many machines?
Up to 4 machines.
4 machines, so ship it around 4 machines. What machines are?
Any machine. We work with all the leading machine tool manufacturers.
So robot tending solution from Halter CNC Automation, just giving it a total flexible solution.
Absolutely.